Hello, welcome to the Renal Diet Headquarters Kidney Disease Starter Kit. I am Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist, and I am going to be your guide for the first few weeks of your experience. I really am glad that you made the decision to join me in learning more about what you can do to change your health for the better. I want to give you a short review of what you receive when you purchase this guide. First, you have 7 breakfast recipes, 7 lunch recipes, 7 supper recipes, 7 side dish recipes, and 7 snack ideas. That should give you a week's worth of meals to start with, and you will feel much better at the end of the week and ready to move to new stuff. But I wanted to be more helpful, so I created a sample meal plan. Basically, I laid out the recipes into days so that you could just take them and get started. Plus, I created a shopping list for you to take to the store today and buy what you need for the week. So, right now, if you're overwhelmed with all the new information, you can just take that list, go to the store, and know that you're set for the week. And one of the videos talks about how to adjust recipes and save some items so you can make it last longer. You also get another video of me talking to you about how labs and food are related. Now, you might wonder why I chose to talk about that, and it's because it is something many people don't understand. I am going to give you the lowdown about how to understand the few labs you need to, what they mean, and how your food is related to that. It's more motivation to change your eating habits. One thing I didn't get into is stages of kidney failure and how you know if you have kidney disease. I am assuming you know what you have and you know how to get more information on the basics. You can find that on my website as well, but I didn't want to add that to this teaching because it's easy enough to find. I want to give you something you can't find elsewhere. Finally, I have a special audio that you can listen to that I did about kidney disease. It's got a lot of golden nuggets in it and special information for you. You should listen to that for some motivation and to move you to action. You can do this. I want to help you, and you need to get started now. Click below to buy the starter kit and you'll have instant access to what you need to go in the right direction.